Hey everyone, Rick the Static Nomadic. Day 28 here, and came over to St. Vrain State Park. I needed to dump and fill my tanks, and this park pass, from my understanding, is supposed to give me free entrance and free use of the dump station. Well, that is not true. They still want to charge you for basically one night stay, and if you don't stay one night, then you got to pay a $10 dump fee to use the dump station. The park pass really doesn't do you any good as far as just coming in and using the dump station. Again, I don't know. It seems like every one of these places makes up their own rules. I really can't get a grasp on some of this. But that's okay. I really needed to dump, and hey, Paul and I went up to the Forest Service office this morning. They were very, very helpful. Showed us a few places where we could get our rigs in, and we went up and scouted those out. And well, it was 100 miles each way, but that's where we're gonna head probably tomorrow morning. It's almost 3:30 now. I'm just getting dumped. I still got to go get some fuel and fuel for the gen and the bike. And I don't know. Paul may or may not want to go by Walmart before we take off. So anyway, yeah, we'll probably head out tomorrow. It's been raining here. We were a little worried about what those sites might look like. Old Rainmaker Rick working hard again. By the time we got up there, so we just kind of decided, yeah, it'd probably be best just to hang here, hang out at the truck stop one more night, and then get a fresh start in the morning. Hopefully we're all prepped and ready to go and ready to get out of here. I say though, pretty nice park. Well, everyone, just got back from the fuel stop. I topped off the coach. Got roughly 18 gallons of diesel in the trailer. Shouldn't need it, but I know the fuel prices are much higher up there, like about 20-something cents. So I went ahead and filled up my diesel cans just to have them. We'll probably use that much fuel going in there and while we're there and coming back out. So might as well have it handy. And the only thing I didn't get was gas for the bike and the gen, which I will do tomorrow. Paul's going to have to go over and fuel his coach, and I'll just throw the cans in there and do it at that point. I kind of caught rush hour at the fuel stop, and you don't want to hold up the truckers and all. they get a little upset. Anyway, that's about it for the night. I don't know what's going to happen with these videos as far as my cell service goes. I had 2 bars when I was up there of 4G LTE, but whether that hangs in there or not, I can't really say. So I'll do the best I can. I'm going to try and get this uploaded tonight or very early tomorrow morning. And if you don't hear from me for a couple of weeks, well, you know what happened. It's not that I won't be shooting video. I'll probably just have to do a combination video to catch you all up on what happened while we were up there. But I'll do the best I can to keep you informed, to let you know we're still alive. Hope you guys had a great day. Have a great night. Peace out.
Thank you.